Do? Hi, Miles Magic. Hi, Pepper. Thank you for the like, Ken. Messy na ng hair ko. Enjoy ng hair ko talaga. Hi, Roger Me. Hi, Jerry. Hi, 11. Hi, 10. You're the only one for me. I wanna believe in everything that you said. It sounds so good. Hi, Kaiser. Hi, Flash Express. Oh! Nag-aaral pa ba kayo, guys? Or vacation nyo? Hi, Maylin Dawa. Hi, Speed. Hi, Princess. Hi, Ibra. Hi, Seko. Emoji. Kamusta kayo, guys? Mainit ngayon. Stay hydrated. Hi, Jella. Hi, Jonathan. I wanna believe in everything that you said. 'Cause I'm so... Hi, Jonathan. Hi, 1069. Hingin mo ng motor nito. Hi, 19. Riske. Actually, inaantok na ako. Pero carry lang, laban lang. Hi, pak. Hi, pak, pak. Kino na name mo? That sounds so good. But if you really want me, move slow. There's things about me you just want to know. Sometimes I drown. Ulit na LSS. Hi, ano to? Nakakapagpabagabag. Oy, thank you for the like, Flash. Hi, Alpha. Hi, Toti. Hi, Jimlas. Ang cute ng mga name nyo, no? So cute talaga. I don't understand. So few. Should I cut my hair ba? Mukha siyang dry, no? Oh, slow. Just want to know. Thank you for the like, Mitsu. Hello sa inyong lahat. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide. Hi, Peter. Sometimes I'm scared of you. Hi, Vince. Follow me, guys. Hi, Mitsu. Hi, Nya. Hi, 1093. Hi, Patrick. Good afternoon, guys. A pleasant afternoon to all of you. Yeah. Ring light.